In this program, we will see sliding window maximum, that is maximum of all subarrays of size k. Means we are given an array and a window size 3. So we need to find out the maximum of every third number, of every three numbers, like from 1 to 3, 3 is maximum, 2, 3, 1, 3 is maximum, 3, 1, 4, 4 is maximum, and so on, like this. So the method 2 here suggests that we should take a wheel tree because lookup, insertion and deletion all take big O of log n. Log n is the least time complexity we can achieve. So we need to look up which is the maximum or minimum. Since it is AVL, it will be at the starting. As we will use a queue which is in reverse order, priority queue. So the maximum, the value having maximum will be at the beginning, and for result that we will be returning in array list, we have created an array list. Input is an array, k is the window size, n is the array length. So first what we are doing, for the first three elements we are adding them into the priority queue. So for the window size we are adding each element to the priority queue. Then in the priority queue it gets inserted as per its value, that is the higher one will be at the beginning. So if I pick or pop it, pop will be enough for both of these statements. So if I'll pick, I'll get the maximum value that gets and stores in my result. Then for the others, whatever I till k I have done, after that up to n, what I need to do is, here I have already removed from the queue the first element that I was having, array of 0. So next what I need to insert is the next element after 3. Like 1, 2, 3 window size is done in the first for loop. Then I have removed 1 by the q.remove statement. Array at 0 means it will remove 1. And then I need to consider these 3 in the queue, priority queue. So I need to insert this one, which is the value of k, means its index is value of k. So we have added the element into the queue, and then again queue's pick value will be my highest value among the window size, in the window size. Then I need to add into the my result, and then eventually remove the second element. That is, after I have finished working with this window, I need to shift to this window. So I need to remove 2, for which I need to write here I minus k plus 1. I minus k will remove all 3, and then plus 1 is for the first element, and then ultimately return the result. So this for loop is for after first k elements, and this one is for the first k elements. Also in the result my answer will be stored, and in queue always only my window elements will be stored.